Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you sleeper fantasy basketball picks, best way to do it. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your sleeper app, and once you are inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are inside your home screen of your sleeper app, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen, and once you tap on that, here you'll be given the menu option. And once you do that, here what you need to do is tap on this plus icon, and then once you do that, here you will be able to select the fantasy basketball option as well. Now all you gotta do is tap on the fantasy basketball option, and then you'll be able to see the channel leagues that are related to that. Now once you have selected it, what you need to do is go inside it, and there you'll find the option that says join league button. All you gotta do is simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here what you need to do is go back to your home screen, and once you go on to your home screen and tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen, under leagues the selected channel will be added, or the leagues will be added right here. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on that league, and once you do that, here you will be sent to the draft board screen, and here you can tap on the invite option to invite your friends as well, and then you can see the draft room as well, and you can see the draft board as well. Now once tapping on league, you can see the standing and league settings as well. And now if you want to leave the group, what you can do is just simply tap on the settings, and once you tap on settings, here you will be sent to the league settings. All you gotta do now is just scroll down, and then you'll find the option that says leave league as well. Simply tap on that and follow the instructions to successfully leave the account. So that's basically how to do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.